So, while you weren't looking, Amazon just rolled out a quiet but absolutely massive change to Alexa. They're taking it way beyond your smart speaker, and it's a strategic move that could really change how we all interact with AI. Trust me, you're going to want to know about this.
I mean, think about it. You're used to asking Alexa for the weather, right? Or to play a song at home. But what if that very same assistant could manage your work projects, help you plan complex stuff, and follow you right into your web browser? Well, that's exactly the huge shift we're diving into.
And here it is, the core of the news. The new, way smarter Alexa, which they're calling Alexa Plus, is now live on the web at alexa.com. This is Amazon officially breaking its AI out of the smart speaker box and putting it right where you do most of your focused work.
And the scale here is just wow. Amazon isn't starting from zero. They already have this built-in audience of over 600 million Alexa-enabled devices out there in the world, all ready to be introduced to this powerful new web experience.
So let's get into what this really means. Because this isn't just about putting Alexa on another screen, it's really about fulfilling that original promise of a true personal assistant. You know, one that's actually there for you, wherever you are. So what's new? Well, we are moving way beyond just simple commands. On the web, Alexa is built to help you with the complicated stuff. I'm talking creating content, planning out detailed trip itineraries, managing your family's calendar. It's a huge leap from just asking about the rain.
And here's the thing that makes it so powerful. This idea of persistent context. What that means is you can start a conversation with Alexa on your laptop, pick it right back up on your phone, and then finish it on your Echo at home without it missing a beat. It's one single, seamless conversation that follows you everywhere.
But you might be wondering, why does Alexa even need the web in the first place? Well, it turns out Amazon is trying to solve its single biggest problem, the basic limitation of a voice-only interface.
Just think about the difference for a second. Voice is awesome for quick, hands-free commands. Play some music, set a timer. It's perfect for that. But it's not so great for complex things like comparing products or planning a big vacation. For that, you really need a screen, and that's where the web browser is king.
And this right here is the key takeaway. Voice is for commands. The browser is for decisions. Amazon has totally dominated that command space. But the really valuable moments, when you decide what to buy, where to go, what to do, those almost always happen in a browser. And now, Amazon wants Alexa right there with you.
Okay, so by making this move to the web, Amazon is basically stepping into a whole new arena. This isn't just an Alexa upgrade. It's them throwing down the gauntlet in the browser AI battle. It puts Alexa in a direct face-off with heavy hitters like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini.
So let's quickly break down the competition. Each one of these has a unique advantage, right? Gemini is built right into the browser. That's a huge plus. ChatGPT is the undisputed king of creating content. But Alexa's real power, its ace in the hole, is that deep integration with Amazon's entire world of shopping and the smart home.
Now, by jumping into this fight, the rules of the game have totally changed for Amazon. The measure of success is no longer about the cool factor of having a talking speaker in your kitchen.
Nope. Now it's all about raw, side-by-side performance. When Alexa is just another browser tab right next to ChatGPT, you're going to directly compare them. Who's faster? Who gives better answers? Who actually helps you get things done? Amazon is betting big that it can win that fight.
So how exactly does Amazon plan to win? Well, this is where we get to their secret weapon, an advantage that is incredibly hard for anybody else to copy.
Their whole strategy really hinges on this one simple idea. While other AIs are focused on just giving you information, Alexa is being designed to take action in the real world. It's about doing things, not just telling you about them.
Okay, check out this perfect example. Imagine you use Alexa on the web to plan your meals for the week. Boom, it automatically creates your shopping list. Then, with just one click, it sends that whole order over to Amazon Fresh or Whole Foods for delivery. That entire seamless process, from planning to buying, is something no other AI can really do.
And this is why they can pull it off. Just look at this ecosystem. Alexa is sitting right in the middle, and it can talk to retail, groceries, your smart home devices like Ring, your entertainment on Prime Video, all of it. This giant interconnected web of services is what gives it the power to take real-world action for you.
So what's the end game here? Where's all of this headed? Well, the vision is for something much bigger than just a simple assistant. It's about creating essentially a chief of staff for your life.
The tech behind this big vision actually has a name. It's called Agentic AI, and this is the major shift. See, an agentic AI doesn't just answer your question.
You give it a goal, and it figures out and then carries out all the steps to actually get it done for you.
Seriously, just imagine an assistant that doesn't just add a birthday to your calendar, but it also books the flight for the party, makes the dinner reservation, and orders the gift. It becomes this central hub that manages all the annoying logistics of your life so you don't have to.
And that, of course, brings us to the final, really important question. An AI that can seamlessly manage our lives sounds like the ultimate convenience, right? But it also raises some pretty big questions about our own control and autonomy. As this tech keeps getting smarter, we're all going to have to decide for ourselves where we're comfortable drawing that line.